Crispy without any cornflour. So here is cauliflower head and 2 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to drain the water. So generally in Manchurian, we use the cornflour or tapioca starch, some kind of starch to cook the Manchurian. Today I'm going to add around 1 cup of plain white bread flour. Okay. Salt, a little bit of pepper if you like it spicy. I like it spicy. So a little bit of pepper. The oil is very hot and all the things are mixed well. Generally when we add the cornflour to the cauliflower florets, what happens is all these florets they get stick together. But using white bread flour, it comes as a plus point. All these florets I have filled up the pan with all the florets, but they are not sticking to each other. Another thing I want to share with you, when I'm cooking for myself, I like the Manchurian just like store-bought Manchurian, which you generally relish in restaurants. What I add is the monosodium glutamate, that is the Ajinomoto, but my kids don't like it at all. So 1 teaspoon is enough when you are making the Manchurian. Just add in this batter, and otherwise also while sauteing the vegetables, which I am going to do it right now. A little bit of oil, tomato puree, tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons, and here I'm very fond of Nando's peri-peri sauce. The purees are ready, and we are going to add a little bit of grated ginger and the veggies which we have chopped. So if you don't have the soy sauce, don't worry. Today I am skipping that because I don't have the soy sauce. These sauces will be enough. The ketchup, and if you have some kind of chili sauce, that will be enough, because this tomato puree will give the tangy taste and all that rich hue which the Manchurian has. Today I am also cooking basmati rice along with the Manchurian, the cauliflower and potato Manchurian. Our vegetables are fully done. Let's add in.
Delicious hot Gobhi Aaloo Manchurian is ready to be served with basmati rice or Thai rice, whatever you prefer to eat with.
I'm just waiting for the rice to be done, but let's taste the Manchurian from the rice. Trying this sauce. So bye-bye for now. Till we meet in the next episode of Hot Puri's Kitchen Living and Gardening. Bye-bye.